into ade ngifuna ukukhuluma ngayo ebantwaneni, like the students here. Hello. Yeah, so I was like, I grew up here. I used to be just like you. So I also had dreams. And I think each and every one of you have a dream wherever you are. Lilamaphupho, kulezinto elifuna ukuzenza empilweni. Njengoba lisesikole omunye lomunye ulakho into ayifuna ukuyenza empilweni. So mina into engitshela khona ukuthi I don't want to say ngi-example, but into engayisho ukuthi khona just keep on chasing those dreams. Noma ukwi-situation enjani. Sometimes ekhaya it's not easy, impilo inzima. Sometimes abadala bayaswela, kunzima ekhaya. But wena nxa ukuthi kule nto efuna empilweni yakho, uyibambelele kiyo, uzitshele ukuthi hayi, mina I want to get there. Even if it's still tough, even if it's hard, I still want to get there. And you keep on pushing. You fail, you stand up and you move. So that's that's the spirit that you should be having now. Coming to school, you have to have your dreams and say, I want to be this. So I hope you guys, you also really push hard and say, I want to be there. And you definitely be there. Yeah, so I think I've said much. I don't know what I've forgotten. See? Yeah, so there's one thing that Changwa asked me to bring, you know. So it was a computer, a laptop, or something like that. So we managed to bring one, first of all. So I think at least you can start with that one. And since we have seen the laboratories and everything, I've seen a lot of things that are missing. So we'll also keep on trying and see how we can help, what we can do. I cannot promise much because I also get this all from the donations and EDC. But we have seen already what we can do, maybe with time. So that's why we also decided that we'll keep some of the money for you to kind of decide what you think will be more sustainable for you. Then once you have decided, and then you can start from there.